Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll to find a wallpaper and personalization. Now we have to scroll down a little bit because here we've got the wallpapers from which we can choose the wallpaper from, of course, the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We've got online wallpapers, so if you've got the internet connection, you can check some of those options. At the bottom you've got system wallpapers, so those which are pre-installed. As you can see here, we've got also a lot of options to choose from, so you do not have to necessarily have the internet connection. However, I'll choose something from those options, and all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. So let's tap on it, tap to preview, and as you can see, this is how it will look like on the home screen after applying. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. I don't want to use the carousel, so let me turn it off, and as you can see, we've got this information that we've got our wallpaper applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.